Hey everybody, this is Mrs. Golding. We are in your packet on page number 3 and we're on problem number 4. So in this packet, on this problem it says that a fruit salad consists of blueberries, raspberries, grapes, and cherries. The fruit salad has a total of 280 pieces. First of all, who in the world will count their fruit? I don't know. Somebody that's got a lot of time on their hands, obviously, but it says something interesting here. It says that there are twice as many, I'm going to pull this up here, twice as many raspberries as blueberries, three times as many grapes as cherries, and 4 times as many cherries as raspberries. So the question is, how many cherries are there in the fruit salad? So you're wondering, why is this grape so big? Why is this blueberry so tiny, right? Okay, so here's the deal. It says that there's kind of like a ratio here. That for every one, let's say for every one blueberry, I'm gonna get a pen here. Let's see. Let's make it green. For every one blueberry, there's twice as many raspberries, right? So then there would be 2 raspberries. And what's the relationship of raspberries and cherries? Raspberries and cherries. There are 4 times as many cherries as raspberries, so it's 4 times 2. Well, that's 8, right? So that would mean there are 8 cherries if there's 2 raspberries. And then what's the relationship of grapes to cherries? Well, it says there are 3 times as many grapes as cherries. So 8 times 3 is 24. Now you can see why that grape is so big. There's the most grapes in the salad, but these numbers don't add up to 280, right? So you've got 24 plus 8, 32, plus 2, 33, 34, plus 1 is 35. So that's not 280, but it gives us a really cool ratio. So I'm going to go to a next slide here. Let's look. So we start out with 1 to 2 to 24 to 8. That's our original ratio, right? And that adds up to 35. I'm just going to write it here, 35. But we want not 35. I'm going to get rid of my head here because it's in the way. We want 280, right? We want 280. Well, what's the relationship from 35 to 280? Well, let's see. 35 times 2 is 70, and 7 times 4 is 280. So I think maybe, just maybe, let's see what 35 times 8 is. 35 times 8, that's 40. And 8 times 3 is 24, plus 4 is 280. So I want to make this little salad here, the salad that currently has 1 blueberry, 2 raspberries, and 24 grapes, and 8 cherries. I want to scale that up 8 times. So I need 8 times as many raspberries, 8 times as many 8 times as many blueberries, 8 times as many raspberries, 8 times as many grapes. It's going to get huge, right? And 8 times as many cherries. I could figure out that whole thing. So let's go ahead and try it. So 1 times 8 is 8. And that raspberry, remember, was 2. 2 times 8 is 16. And 24 times 8, I don't know. 24 times 8, 32, carry this, 16, 192, 192 grapes, still the biggest, right? And my cherries are what? Times 8. Oh, 8 times 8, that's 64. And the question was, how many cherries would be in my salad to equal 280? 64 plus 192 plus 16 plus 8. Guess what it is, folks? 280. And my answer is there would be 64 cherries. Thanks.